What is up, Evo crew? Today we are heading out to explore the world's creepiest small town, Ione, Nevada.
Ione is a secluded town in the middle of absolute nowhere with a population of only around 3 people. It's so remote that the closest large city, Reno, Nevada, is over 160 miles away. It has no stores, no gas stations, no post office, absolutely no services for miles and miles. Today, we're going to go experience this town in real life.
On today's adventure, we will be covering over 300 miles to get there, and along the way, we will be stopping to explore some amazing secret locations you don't want to miss. Be sure to watch until the end.
But before we go on, make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe, and smash the bell so you never miss another video. A huge thank you to all of our patrons, and special mention to our top patrons, without whom this video would not have been possible.
So a special thank you to Brandon, Andrew, Heavy Metal, Journeyer John, Clarence, How to Rock 178, Rick, Damie, and Dennis. Thank you guys so much. Now let's go. All right, guys. We are driving through Fallon, and I swear I wish they would build a freaking freeway around this town. Not because I hate this town, because your freaking speed limit in Fallon is so slow. It's like 30 miles an hour to like almost the whole town. It takes us like 20 minutes. I'm probably exaggerating a little bit. Or look, here comes a cop right now. It's like the cops are freaking thick, and they're like waiting for people to freaking speed. And see, look at this person next to us. He's even going faster than freaking, he's like, I can't even do 30. I mean, he's doing 35, which is what we want. That's a good rabbit. Then we'll go like, let him get a little ahead of us, and then we'll go a little bit faster, and he'll get ticketed, not us, because we got a radar detector. Gotta learn the rules, guys. Gotta learn the rules of speeding. We got about 2-hour ride still, and we got a pretty late start, so we're going to a town with like a population of like 3 people, and it's a town, guys. It's really creepy. It'll be really cool. Let's go check it out. Let's go.
We continued on past Fallon and further into the middle of absolute nowhere, reaching Middlegate Station, one of the last stops for gas and food for many, many miles. After this, you're on your own in the wilderness.
We spotted what we thought was a random military tank sitting on a hill, but upon closer inspection, we found this. Not wanting to get radiation exposure, we immediately left and continued on. All right, guys, we have about, what do you think, about an hour more to go, but check it out. We are in the middle of the forest, in the middle of the desert, guys.
Yes, and we have some murder evidence right there. We have ropes and something that was burnt up. It's very suspicious, guys. What do you think? Post in the comments.
All right, guys, we got to go about an hour this way. We're going to see some ghost towns on our way. We're going to stop and check out some cool things. I say let's go. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. If you need a pair of shoes, this tree grows shoes. You ever seen anything like that? It doesn't grow anything but shoes. No pine cones, nothing. Shoes.
Give me that one, Dad. I want the purple one.
Okay, I'll get you the purple one. We spotted something that looked awesome on Google Earth along the way and decided to check it out. This is what we found. We got this over here. It's an old mill. Not much to see, so we're not even going to bother go exploring.
I think it might be haunted, personally.
Let's just check this building real quick right here.
Okay, guys, we got to be careful for snakes, mountain lions, rabid coyotes. There's all kinds of crazy stuff out here. You got to be careful. And if there's a rattlesnake, it could jump up and bite you in the throat.
Let's try to get back over here. There's a location that looks like it has like massive animal cages, guys. We want to go see if we can check it out.
Make sure there's no humans trapped in there.
Yeah, we're gonna go check. Let's go. All right, guys, we're trying to figure out which direction to go. That road looks worse off than this road. I think we're gonna hang left.
How far are we dead?
1 mile. 1 mile. The
cages look massive on Google Earth, so we were eager to see what could possibly be inside them. As you can see right now, it appears to be a strange compound in the middle of nowhere, and we had to get a closer look.
As we approached, we noticed vehicles, but we couldn't tell whether or not they were abandoned.
Ooh. Oh my God, there's a car there.
Let's turn that around so we can be ready to go if something comes out acting weird. We also spotted fresh tire tracks leading up to the compound's gate, so we decided to check it out.
What do you think of this place?
I think it's really creepy, and we're gonna trespass. I'm really scared.
What, you did?
Yeah, all right.
There's a road that way, and I've seen some trucks that look too old. Ooh, why does it say restricted area? I'm running through like Area 51. Shh, quiet, guys.
If anything, we can get up there. We can get a good view of everything.
Dad, we said to be quiet.
What?
That was a huge bug that flew at me.
Oh, whoa, you just trespassed.
This gate hasn't been open in a really long time.
It's been there a really long time. That's pretty creepy.
Different paths going through here. Like, there's a road this way. So it looks like we might be able to double back. If we can get up on that road right there, if it looks decent, we might want to take that so it will give us a better view of the area. I think that's what we should do.
Okay, guys, we're looking in right now into this creepy freaking compound. We're zooming in with our zoom camera to see if we could figure out what the heck is in those cages, you guys. Do you see anything, Bob?
No. Wonder if it was like a breeding ground for like dogs. So let's get the heck out of here, guys.
Flappy nail, guys, flappy nail, injured. Oh my God. 1 like equals 1 prayer for my flappy nail.
This is one thing I love about Nevada. That's one thing I love about Nevada. Look at this, we're in the middle of a freaking ghost town right here. And a lot of people don't understand what a ghost town is. They think it's like, I don't know, a living town. This is not a living town. A ghost town is literally a, what would you call a ghost town?
A very haunted town.
No, it has nothing to do with ghosts. It has to do with a ghost being a freak. There's a ghost of its former self. Basically a town that no longer has residents. That's why it's a ghost town. But check it out, we got a freaking old schoolhouse right there. Pretty sick old schoolhouse. We're in Grantsville, ghost town. Yeah, look at, there's an old adobe building right there. We got another building right freaking there. Check it out.
So
tons
sick,
of buildings all around here, guys. We're not gonna spend too much time like exploring them because as you can see, these roads, a lot of people come back here and explore them. There's really nothing to see of any substance. We got some more places to go. Let's go. We decided to explore a random road before heading to Ione.
Explore the road, hell yeah.
Let's just explore what's up this road.
We're just gonna explore this road.
Ooh, what the heck? There was a gate here that was sealed.
Oh, snap. Dad, what the heck?
I don't know. It's sketchy.
Oh my God, Dad, are you scared?
Not really.
Dad, you're terrified. I can see it in your face. Oh, it's got a door.
Heavy duty door, bro.
What? What?
This one is sealed shut though. There's no way you get in there.
What are they hiding in there? There's a glove right there, Dad. What if someone got trapped in there, guys? I like the little sign of death. That's on Emma's door. Guys, I see stuff falling up there, guys. Oh, Dad, there's like rats. Oh, ew. Something just fell. Seriously. Something pooping on us.
It's been sealed up by the BLM. We're gonna go up this hill a little bit more, and then we're gonna go find these houses that are right over here. And we gotta go to Ione with the creepy little town of population like 3.
Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Yes, let's go.
All right, guys, check this cool little house out. Look at that right there. We'll just take a quick look inside and we'll just take a quick look over here. Just look around. Again, the only things you can find in Nevada right here. You really can't find this stuff anywhere else where you can just go and explore like this. Oh my God, there's some new chairs. Someone was chilling in there. Look at this freaking house. It's dope. I'm hearing birds all or something.
Me too.
Let me take them in. Look at the windows. They're still intact. Check it out. Right there's a bench. Kind of cool underneath. Look at this, pretty old. They cut like a log in half or something. I don't know what the heck it is. You can't tell from here. Yeah, we got places to go. Let's go. All right, guys, we have arrived. And although that says population 41, completely false, as you guys are going to see when we get up there. But if you look around, you can see there's a building right there, a really old historic building. And the really interesting thing about this town, this entire town, except for a little small part of it, is it's all on BLM land. Yet they think they can block it all off, and they do, which is really interesting. But we're going to drive around this place and check it out. Let's go. We began driving through the town, and even though we visited this place before, it's always an eerie feeling being here. The entire town was posted no trespassing, and the snow removal sign was still up, even though it's almost the end of summer. Snow removal, it's the middle of the summer.
Yeah, what the heck? There are absolutely no signs of life and definitely not 40 people still living in this town. We decided to finish driving through and scope it out before we got out to explore it.
This is the only house here that actually has people. Look, they have their house boarded up.
Yeah, there's nobody around.
You know, it's really frustrating because it all says like private property and stuff, but literally this entire area, except for one little patch over there, is all public land. But they still put no trespassing private property signs up, which is completely illegal. I don't understand why the BLM allows it and why they don't come out here and remove the signs. I guess, I don't know, it's a two-edged sword. I guess if, you know, double-edged blade, if someone came out here and removed them all, there's a good possibility that people would just come out here and destroy it all. But it still doesn't matter because it's our freaking land. Let's go check out this up here.
Guys, this is filled with stuff that's so weird in there. Do you guys see that? That's so weird.
Door's open,
yeah, that's so weird. Why would someone leave all this out here? This place is creepy, you guys.
Let's go see if we can find somebody.
We should get out here. This is a really weird part.
Pretty cool old school boardwalk. Let's look inside this building.
There's nobody around. It's a completely empty town. Where's everybody? Where do they all go? Ew, hang on, guys. Look at all the, ew, what the heck, guys? Why is there so many bugs in there? Oh, that's really
Are you on my proper town?
Oh, God. Come on, guys.
Pretty creepy here. It's kind of a cool town. It just, I don't know, it kind of bothers me that it's all on BLM, but you know, public land on BLM blocked off. I'm gonna call when I get home.
I think it's pretty creepy. I think it's pretty overgrown, and I think we should keep looking around. Let's go.
Think there's any water?
Dang it.
No water.
It's pretty cool here, guys. It's really creepy though. Like there's a creepy old park over there. It's like totally overgrown. Everything's really creepy here. What do you think, Audrey? Super creepy here. And I'm not lying. It's actually really creepy, and it's actually pretty cool though. So.
What's wrong? Oh look. There's actually like people chill out here. Look at all the light bulbs are still intact.
You think somebody's in this one?
Maybe. Check it out.
There's Emma. Oh, whoa. Guys, look in here, guys. It's pristine in there. Wow, it's really cool. Doors open in there.
It's not even in bad condition in there.
It is like a set of a movie. I think this is the only house in the entire town with someone who actually lived out here. Do not open.
Can we open it?
No.
No.
Check it out right here. Look, there's a wagon, really historic wagon. And look, there's an old freaking fire engine right in there. Now, let's just be quiet, see if we can hear anybody. The only building that somebody in is that one right there. He probably watches the whole town and has the whole place to himself. Look at the old sign up there. And we got the Ore House Saloon. Now let's go look at this freaking little park. But there's no kids left to play in the park. And you can tell by all the freaking no trespassing. They don't want any freaking kids in the park.
Do you think they hate children, Dad?
I think they do. And if we don't get out of here before sundown, I think you guys are gonna be in trouble. Yeah, it's got creepy little freaking lights. I wonder if they come on. We got swings over there.
Guys, there's even a freaking slide and swings in perfect condition back there. It's just so overgrown. Look at. What do you think that used to say up there?
Ione Park.
Wow, that's a really good guess, Dad. I never would have guessed that.
All right, let's walk.
Let's go.
It feels freaking weird because there's like nobody around.
It's really weird. Like, where's everybody?
Look at the shovel things. They built the picks and the shovels. Look at that, they get mail delivered out here.
Yeah, but who's getting the mail delivered? Because there's nobody here.
This here used to be a schoolhouse, and then they turned it into a mercantile store, general merchandise, little store here. Let's go see if there's anything still left. And look at that house way over here. Look at the bricks, dude.
Which one?
Yeah, it's still in really good shape over there.
Wow, is it all overgrown to there?
It's all overgrown.
Oh my God, guys. Someone was eating a bagel.
Merchandise, 1983.
Guys, look at. They haven't even updated this since 2017. What the heck?
That's so cool though. You can see
Wow.
old merchandise and stuff.
Guys, it is so cool in there. Again, it's like a freaking time capsule.
It really is.
It's like a perfect little time capsule.
It's like they once had an American flag. It was a little schoolhouse at one time. This little town could be so revived with just a little bit of support. I think this town could literally be revived as a place that you can get in the middle of nowhere. The only problem is it all sits on BLM land, and there's been fights for a really long time, so you can't even really get a deed to any of these freaking properties. Let's go take some of the roads and just check it out. What's really weird is how like unwelcoming people are, because you know there's like people in that house right there. They've got like absolutely nothing going on their whole day, and they probably don't even have phone or internet, and they don't even come out here to say, hey, how you guys doing? They see a family walking around. That might be one of the problems with this place, you know what I mean? Creepy as hell.
Okay, you guys, this is like the beginning of a horror movie.
Yeah, literally, we've been here for like an hour now. We've been hoping that somebody would come out and talk to us.
It's like nobody's here.
Either nobody's here or nobody wants to come talk. We're gonna go while driving around this town. We'll just drive into the town a little bit. This is Main Street, right? So there's some roads that go up over this way
that we've
never been on before. And we're gonna do that right now. You guys ready? I would have to say, guys, I don't know if you've ever been to a town like this, dude, but to me, I'd have to say this is like at least America's creepiest town, if not the world's creepiest town. So let's go check it out. Let's go. As we drove the back roads of the town, we noticed that everything seemed to be abandoned with everything left behind. Someone has destroyed that one. That was number 11. That must have been a miner shack. There's still stuff all in it, dude. We then noticed a cabin on the hill, and we decided to try and reach it and see for ourselves if anyone actually lived there. I want to see that house up there on the hill. I think that must have been the head honcho.
Ooh.
All right, guys, we've been driving all through this little town. It's just right over there. We're trying to get up to this house that's like on the hill, the biggest house on the hill. I want to see it really bad, but we don't know if we're going to have a confrontation. As you can see, this is all BLM land. I mean, it's public land. We're totally 100% allowed to be here. We are not trespassing. We're not trespassing. Seriously, guys. I'm just wondering, do you think that maybe like someone's like dead in that house? Like if that guy was dead, who would be able to find him?
Yeah, nobody would probably ever find him, because don't you think somebody would have, I mean, if you're in a normal place, don't you think somebody would have come out by now?
Yeah, you would think someone if they were here. Maybe they're not
here for like an hour, guys. We've been here for like an hour and nobody's come out.
I see no sign of life at all.
No.
It's really creepy.
It's like nobody's there.
All right, let's keep going.
Let's go, guys.
We decided to go up the hill towards the cabin, and this is what we found. That's pretty neat.
Freaking log cabin.
But they never finished it. Wow, that is a weird little log cabin. Yeah, it's fully rotten. Everything is rotten. All the ground, all the wood is rotted. They never finished it. It's full of rodent droppings. But man, it looked like it was gonna be a pretty freaking awesome little cabin, man. Man, all right, let's keep going. Guys, I don't think there's anybody actually in this town, maybe.
There's a car. Hang on, guys, I see a car right down there. You see that creepy freaking car?
Yeah, it's going through the town.
Here, let me get it with B-roll, guys. Guys, let's go spy on them. What the heck? I wonder if they're coming. Yeah, just as we were saying that there was nobody here, guys, there's a creepy freaking car driving around town.
Let's see where they go.
Okay, let's go, guys. We have our zoom camera on so we can show you. Yeah, I see them down there. And there's also somebody still in the car looking up here.
Really?
Yeah. Someone's looking up here. He's getting in. Closing the door. He's inside the car. They're driving.
See if he comes up this way.
Oh, they're going awfully slow, guys. Okay, guys, he just got in his car, and I don't know what he did outside his car, but now they're going awfully slow. So we don't know what he's doing.
Maybe we should go down there right now. We can talk
Let's
to
go,
somebody.
let's go, let's go.
We decided to drive back down to see if we could find the people we saw, but we found these interesting spots instead.
What the heck is that, Dad?
I think that might be a jail. Look at the bars on the windows. It's really weird. I think there's like raw logs up there, just regular logs.
Those are my favorite raw logs. I like them raw.
Just logs on the roof. That's pretty neat. We're gonna go check out this place over here. I think there might be someone in that place because look, there's kind of a newer truck chilling right there.
Oh.
Huh.
Oh, that's creepy.
I think there's someone living in that one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure somebody's living in that one, possibly.
That looks like recent inhabitation.
I think if we ran into somebody that lived here, I think they would be total jerks. Like they think they own the whole entire town, and I think that's how they would respond. That's what I'm going with. What do you think?
I don't feel like I could really tell yet because they were acting a little weird down here. When you guys say they're acting a little weird, so I feel like I don't know if they'd act rude or nice yet. So we'll see. Let's see, guys. Let's go see. Okay,
We'll see if we run into them.
It turned out they were parked at one of the only inhabited houses in town, and they were nowhere in sight. They had vanished inside. We decided to head to the cemetery for one last stop before heading home.
Big fat lizard. Holy moly, that thing's a freaking absolute unit. Let's try to catch it.
Look at how grown over this freaking cemetery. It's almost like an abandoned cemetery. Where are you going? You're passing out the gate.
Yeah, Stinky.
All right, guys, let's just get a quick look at the graves before we have to head out of here, just to get an idea of the dates that these people were laid to rest.
Yeah, but this is like literally an abandoned cemetery. Like no one is even taking care of it.
1979.
Yeah, these are the most recent.
So old that they're just pieces of wood. Like something was digging up here, some kind of big animal.
Yeah.
Coyotes probably. Look at that one, there been so long the tree's taken over. 1908, 1942, and 1943. This one was 1890.
Whoop, this place is creepy. Let's go.
It's kind of depressing.
Yeah.
No, that's where we're all gonna end up. All right, guys, let's
end
make
it on
sure
the
you
positive
smash the like button.
Okay.
Make sure you subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Let's go.